Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the Rowenta DR8180 Handheld Steamer. If you want more information, please start the video. Features. The model is equipped with the latest technology that allows you to steam anything, anywhere at any moment. With a single vertical movement, it allows you to steam your clothes, even if you are in a hurry. With its retractable cord reel design, storage is easier than ever as well. Equipped with a retractable cord, the model offers efficient steam just in time. This powerful steamer comes with 2 levels of steam. A cast aluminum heated plate with ceramic coating and ultra-fast heating ensures high performance and effective steaming every day. It comes with the 1600 watts powerful heater that easily de-wrinkles and sanitizes all types of fabrics from silk to denim. The powerful steam flow also helps to kill 99% of germs and bacteria on delicate clothing without needing any harmful chemicals. The device is ready to steam in just 40s. It is provided with an extra-long retractable cord for easy storage. Pros: extra-long retractable cord. 40s ready-to-steam design. Suitable for all types of fabric from silk to denim. Powerful and efficient performance. Cons: no turbo operation. Quite bulky for travel.